What's the meaning of cannonade? Cannonade. Cannonade.
Cannonade. Cannonade. Cannonade refers to a continuous and heavy gunfire from artillery guns. The result of cannonade is often devastating, causing destruction, chaos, and casualties in the affected area. The loud explosion and shockwaves can be felt for miles and may cause significant damage to buildings, vehicles, and other structures. Cannonades were widely used in warfare in the past, but due to their destructive nature, they are now considered a last resort option in modern warfare. Overall, cannonade represents a powerful and destructive force that can leave a lasting impact on the affected area and its inhabitants.